Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to crochet a beautiful 3D flower. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be the first to know when new tutorials are out. What we need for this? Yarn, hook, scissors. For the first, make a magic ring with 5 single crochet. We crochet 5 chains for 4 stitches and connect them with the slip stitch to every stitch. For the 5th, we do 2 chains and connect them with the start stitch with 1 double crochet. This crocheted element will be our foundation to crochet a flower. We crochet 4 chains for lifting. Do 5 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, and fix into this petal with the slip stitch. Then do 1 more chain and fix with the slip stitch into the second stitch next petal. Repeat it for each petal. When you do the cluster, try to pull the stitches to make the flower voluminous. We crochet 6 chains for lifting, then crochet a double crochet and 3 chains. Each double crochet needs to be fixed into the chains between our petals, which we did in the last round. Then we crochet 3 chains again, do double crochet into the next chain between the petals, do 3 more chains and fix them with double crochet into the same stitch. End this round with a slip stitch. We crochet a single crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 chain picot, 3 double crochet and a single crochet through the base of the petal. Repeat it for each base of petals and end the round with a slip stitch. There you are! You have done a dazzling job. Feel free to share the result with us using #WoolReefPatterns. This flower can be used to create a spectacular head wrap, beanie or even a summer top. To purchase patterns for these products, go to our store, which is listed in the description under the video. And if you like this tutorial, please share your impressions by leaving a comment below the video. See ya on our next projects!